didn't say anything. Wait. Oh my god, if anybody's here for farts, I've got one. Ace. Nice. You're welcome. You're welcome. A little bit.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Spew Pebble.
Select your hero.
What was that?
Also, listen.
The fuck out.
Can I just fast now? Here you guys gonna hear my... See? Did you hear that, guy?
You heard that? Tell me you didn't hear it. That was the loudest one I had. Oh my god, that was fucking amazing. Oh my god, we got that on camera. Fucking clip that. I sent it to my mom.
I got a fatty ass. Okay, I just can't help it, bruh. I can't help having such a big fucking asshole. I mean, ass! Not asshole! Just ass. My asshole is very small, nice, very small and... Speaking of asshole... It's not a black hole! What the fuck?